In a session event, you can track data by accuracy, the frequency or occurrence of a particular skill or behavior, or by the opportunities presented. Use the drop-down to select which calculator type best fits your student's goal. You can now start taking data with the click of a button. You will see that the data changes to a single number if you are tracking frequency and to a ratio for opportunities. The graphs will also adjust based on the scoring method. For opportunities, you will have two lines that represent the amount of opportunities in solid gray and the total number correct in blue. For frequency, you will see a bar graph to represent the total number of instances during that session. And for accuracy, you will see a blue line that represents your students' accuracy over time, with a dotted gray line to show their average percentage. Once you have made a calculator selection, it will default the goal to that calculator for future session events.